Hey everyone, I'm over at 2084 Ridgecrest in Rock Hill. New build. Look at that grading. Awesome, driveway connected. Beautiful day to come out and take a look. A little sneak peek inside. Things are coming along. Almost ready for you to move in. Take a look. Flooring is going in this week for upstairs. Look at this spacious combo area. Easy clean tile floors. Let's take a look to see what's happening in the kitchen. Got an eat-in kitchen here. Goes right out to your deck. Ooh, kitchen's coming along. Nice stainless steel appliances going in. Shaker cabinets with beautiful silver pulls. In a nice gray color. Check out that granite. Everything's coming along. Take a look out in the beautiful deck. And way out here, there's horses in the next paddock over. Sometimes they come and say hi. HVAC is going in. That's kind of what you hear right now. Almost ready. Make your appointment today.